Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan and email documents using iPhone Notes app. Now let's go ahead and open a new Notes app right here and then click this here. Click scan documents and then let's go ahead and proceed scanning our document right here. I'm gonna go ahead and capture it just like so and then click this one right here and you can see that now we've added a document. If you feel the need to make some changes, go ahead and click this one right here, click this, and then you should be able to see the option that says crop page. Click on that one and there you go. All right, just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and click this one right here. And there you go. Now that I've done that one, I've made changes, I can go ahead and click the share button right here. Now you have different options to share this. We have Mail, Gmail, or Outlook right here, as well as a few other apps. If you want to do so in your native Mail app here on your iPhone, click that one. And then from here, what you're going to do is just type the two here and uh, basically type who would you like to be a receiver of this one. All right, say for example, that particular email right there, you can change the subject, add some content here, and then you can go ahead and click the send button right there. And that's done. So yeah, that's how you're going to scan and email documents using iPhone Notes app.